Alright, no music today, boys. I'm putting no damn music on, bro. Unless there's like some no copyright bullshit I can put on. No copyright music. Let's see what we can find, bro. We'll put this shit on. It's fucking like 3 hours long. Whoa, that's too loud, too loud, too loud. Alright. Is the audio fix? So we back, you can play music from no copyright sounds? Yeah. That's what I got on. Dude, I ain't heard this damn song in a minute, bro. I ain't heard none of this in a minute. Alright, so we still got some waiting to do here, boys. We got 3 minutes left till New York Open. I need a candle to close above here or else no trades, right? Same thing with GJ. I think if we can close above there, we have clean traffic to our left hand side and move up, right? We just have to be careful of this minor area here on the 4 hour. Well, I wouldn't say it's a minor area, but if we were to take buys here, I don't know. It's like a 10 pip range. We'll have to see. Yeah, but I need a candle to close above here, right? Or if we can make a fat ass like bottom wick or something on this next 1 hour candle, right? Make the bottom wick. Hopefully it like pulls back and breaks the low of this 30-minute to like collect that liquidity within this area, right? Because that's like what the bottom wick is to me, right? Oh, you gotta go, Mr. Graham? Alright, homie. I'll catch you tomorrow, fam. Thanks for showing up, though. Thanks for stopping in, homie. Yo, so who's Mr. Grimm leaving me with here, huh? Yo, Raheem, what up, baby? What up, baby? Let's see. This 30-minute, it's got 30 seconds left, and it currently has no top wick. I would have loved to take a buy right here. You know, I'm gonna keep saying it. Because I'm sure people are gonna keep joining and asking, well, why didn't you buy from here? You even said in the Discord that you're expecting the pullback and wait for support to be created. Yeah, well, it don't matter, bro. It didn't make a bottom wick. Look, this is what I put in the Discord. Wow. Wow. It's almost as if It's doing exactly what I fucking thought it would. We can't execute though. 30-minute created that support, no bottom wick. I did. The zone is a little different from how I had it drawn now. Or now I can say it. Whoa, bro! It's doing exactly what we thought it would. Whoa! Is the stream cutting out anymore or no? Someone let me know because it was before we restarted it, but I think I fixed it. I think I fixed that. We should have no issues here today, boys. We got the no copyright music playing. Because you know what? I ain't getting banned no more. Or not banned, suspended. Raheem said, fuck bank holiday. I just seen that message, bro. Alright, so this is our new 1 hour candle. New 30-minute. New 1 hour. I still need it to close above here. For buys. Right. GJ as well. New 30-minute candle. Ooh, move up. It moved up, broke the high with no bottom wick as well, bro. So let's see. 1 hour, no bottom wick. Everything has no bottom wick. We have broken above previous 4-hour high though, and our 4 hour is looking real bullish. So maybe the buys for GJ will happen on the next 4-hour candle, right? Wait for the next one to close. And then wait for the bottom wick, and then when it starts to flip and drive up. But it kind of looks like it's moving right now. Sheesh, GJ flying up through there, bro. Well, at least it was. We'll keep like the 15-minute on, bro, because why not? MT5 is lagging like hell. What do you mean? Like your broker is that you're connected to on the terminal, or like the terminal itself is lagging? Yo, what up, MM? Let me know if the sound's fixed, homie. The terminal itself, it might be your PC, bro. Any trades? No, sir. I need this 30-minute or something to close above here. 30-minute, 15-minute too, maybe. I think the 15-minute, but then it would be, yeah. 15-minute. If the 15-minute could close above here, I think we would. Sounds alright. You had to reload YouTube. Okay. Well, I upped the bitrate for the stream. So hopefully that'll fix it some. Sound has gotten clearer a tad bit more. Wasn't bad before though. Alright. Perfect. It says that the bitrate's good and everything. It says the bitrate's all perfect. So, we should be all good. Oh, alright. So, what's GJ doing? GJ looks like it's still moving up. No bottom wick on this candle. It's a 1 hour candle and everything too, so I will say at least gold made a little bit of one. I ain't gonna lie, boys, I was a little tired. Not even like tired, bro. Just absolutely sore, bro. I feel like I got my ass whooped, dude, by that Pikachu, dude. I wonder if he'll come back ever. Let me know if the music's too loud too. I'll fix that if you will. GJ is scary because the holiday. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know about GJ, bro. I would like to take the buys. Whoa. I would have liked to have taken them from like down here, right? Like when we first made this support. But even then, like, okay, this is where my buy signal would have been, right? Because I would have waited for this 4 hour to close bearish. And then when we were on this next one, this new one, still though, not too much of a top wick, and not too much of a bottom wick. So even then, I think I still would have definitely missed this trade. Your girl did dominatrix. Is that how you're sore? Shit, I don't know. Maybe. Bro, I was trolling not all weekend, but over. Like, do you guys know what Omegle is? Bro, I'll be going crazy on Omegle. I don't have a girl either, though, bro. So, hey, if there's any black queens in the chat, oh, my DMs are open. No, but I don't know, bro. Jim just kicked my fucking ass the other day, bro. I need a nice titty massage. And my triceps too. Anytime I lift my arms up, stretch them, it feels fucking amazing. What's the Nasdaq looking like too, bro? Let's see. Mr. Grim Plays would want to be your gal. True. He sends me hard eyes in my DM, bro, when I post videos of my face in it. Ha 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 ha. It's okay. I tell him when he does that shit, I'll tell him you better cut that shit out before I come fucking kiss you, buddy. I told him that one time. You don't charge? Shit. Slide on a homie. Slide on a homie, bro. Okay, so it does look like gold is starting to move up here. We got about 5 more minutes left. 5-minute candle did just close above, so this might move up here. We'll see. But if we can get a 15-minute candle to close above here, then I might look to take this trade, bro. But we need this 15 to close first before anything, right? Looks like it just did a little retest here on the 5-minute. It's starting to move up. Let's see. Look at that. I got the 5-minute up on my other screen. Haha. Oh. Shit. Someone said, it's a bank holiday, bro. No volume. Yeah, okay. No, I mean, they're right. I mean, you can't argue. It says bank holiday everywhere. I don't see U.S. bank holiday though. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I will say, if this 15 does close above, I'm gonna need it to like make a bottom wick, a little, just a little one, tap in it here, and then we'll take it at the break of the high. But I'm gonna use half risk, right? Because it's off of the 15-minute, which to me is low time frame confirmation. Every time frame does look good though, moving up. But still though, we could maybe get faked out on a 15-minute. 15-minute likes to fuck me over, so we'll wait and see. I'm gonna be watching the 5-minute too to see how like we close and everything, right? Because like if this 5-minute candle closes bearish, as long as we don't break the low and then like make a bottom wick, tapping it like right here or something like this, tapping it like right here, right? You can see like where these bodies hit and everything, all the wicks and that shit hit. Tap right into here, respect this one's low, and then if when we drive up, break the high, we'll take the buys, right? But we also might need to wait, like, we'll have to see, we'll have to see, we'll have to see. But half risk though, that's I'm gonna be using half risk because this is off the 15-minute, and I need it to close like above, like where it's at right now. If we close like right at this area, I'll wait for the 30, bro. I'm picky, I'm picky, I'm picky. But let's see like how big of a stop this would be. Not too big of a stop, right? So it's like half risk, and it at most is like gonna be like 15 pips, and like that's being generous because like the break of the high is here, and I only want it to pull back into here, and now that's like 10 pips. So it'll probably be like a 10-15 pip stop. It does look like we are aiming to close above though. We got 1 minute, one more minute left. Let's see if we can get a nice bottom wick on this next 15, and it'll be the rest of this 30 and this 1 hour looking to move up, right? 4-hour candle just flipped too, made it a nice bottom wick. We broke the high of the previous. I just want to see this thing drive up, but let's look and see. If we close below here though, no trade yet. Patience, boys, patience. Alright, we're gonna close right at it. I'm gonna need the new 30-minute, bro. I need the 30-minute. Because like this thing's still open at this point. It could go up still and then come back down. If it goes, it goes. So we'll keep the 30-minute moving. Ooh, there's GJ now. Flipping and make that bottom wick. Ooh, look how ugly this is, right? We're starting to see some volume here on gold, bro. I think if this 5-minute candle could hold bullish and close above here, then I think we might see this move on the 15, right? But we'll wait. I'm not gonna base my trade off of just the 5-minute, right? Looks like we are driving up though. We just broke the high. Let's see what happens. Still sitting here waiting, bro. Still waiting. We'll wait another 12 minutes. Yep, and that's why you wait. You would have just got stopped out. How's everyone's weekend though? How's everyone's Easter? Does everyone here celebrate Easter? I don't know, like if it's a real popular thing in other countries. I didn't really do too much for Easter. Just spent some time with family and then had some Easter dinner and all that. Didn't even eat any candy though. Alright, so it looks like let's see. Look, this 5-minute might close bullish and it might keep moving up. Alright, it just made a huge nice bottom wick here on the 15-minute. So let's see what happens here, right? It's 5. No trades or nothing being taken. But this 5-minute did just close bullish here. Just tapped right into here. Let's see, if it goes up and breaks this high, I think we might just fly, bro. But it needs to go back up and re-break that high. Not the fucking 1 minute. Yeah. We'll wait for the 30, boys. You're liking the 5-minute break the highs? It could play out. I'm just gonna wait though. Like cause this next 30-minute might just like make a little bottom wick and then pop up, right? Or like retest this area here. So we'll wait. Or else we wait for 9:30. But I ain't waiting for 9:30. If this thing closes above here on this 30-minute, we taking it, bro. Looks good on every time frame if we close above here bullish on the, especially on this 15-minute too and this 30-minute. Everything looks good to move up, bro. Everything looks good. I'm gonna mark this up here though. I want it to close like right where it's at. That would be fucking, excuse my language. That would be absolutely beautiful. Cause then we could keep like a tighter stop loss, right? Alright, let's see. It's re-breaking those highs. 5-minute candle. Ooh, let's see. I don't know if we're ready to move up. I think we need to wait for the 30-minute 100. I mean, I definitely am, no matter what, right? Just because that's part of my trading plan. Have to wait for the candles. I'm not going to take a... Like, if I'm sitting here right now, and if I had to take one trade, and my life depended on it, I ain't taking it off this fucking 5-minute, bro. I'll tell you that. You know what I mean? Someone about to get faked out. Buys till what? What would the targets be? My first target would be like the 96 area, right? Because if you go to the daily for gold, you can see we have a bit of a daily resistance right here that we might reject, but I do think price wants to see that 2000 level. So, and then on the 4-hour, I mean, it's clean traffic moving up. I would say like right here though, right at like 1998 as well for the, like, if you're looking at the 4-hour, and then like, I mean, the 1-hour, it's a little ugly up through here, but I think like with the volume we should just be able to move right up through all that. But we'll see, we'll see. I need this 30-minute to close above here, and then maybe we can look to buy it. But if gold wants us to buy it, it'll tell us. It'll show us what it wants to do. Right, but if we do fill this wick here, it'll be nice as well, like on this 30-minute moving up, right? So give us a nice little pullback, tapping it here, and then whenever, since this has a little bit more of a top wick, I think that if we just wait for the pullback, and then when it flips, we can enter. But I need it to pull back, like, you know, give us a decent love pullback, you know? We got 1 more minute left. Alright, so this is what I want to see. So if this 30 minutes going to close here like this, I want to see it pull back simple, right? I'm going to say it 100 times. Pull back, tapping in like this area here, and then once it starts to flip, we'll have a buy stop or something in, so it'll enter us in a buys to drive up on this next candle, right? For this 1 hour to keep driving up. But every candle on every time frame looking good though, right? We got 30 seconds left. Alright, give me a nice bottom wick. Tapping it here, and then when it re-breaks this, right, so since it moved up a little bit, since when we re-break that high that it just made here, right, we can put a buy stop in. But we need it to pull back first to make a bottom wick. So go ahead and do that for us, gold. Let's see. Yo, what's going on, Josco? Come on, gold. Don't break the high yet. If this goes up and breaks the high, I ain't gonna lie, boys. Alright, so it didn't break it just yet. It's about to. And it broke it. No bottom wick. So I don't know. I think GJ might keep melting. I think gold might just go without us, bro. You got 20 pips today, got in at 1990. After the support was formed, closed just before a New York Open. Beautiful. I'd have taken this trade right here, but it didn't make a bottom wick at all. So we had to leave it. Fuck this bullshit. I'm dipping. Alright, homie. We'll catch you later. Tough. What can you do, boys? What can you do? You gotta stay disciplined. If it doesn't want to give us bottom wicks, we can't do anything. Right. But this is beautiful, though. This is beautiful. 2000 coming? I think so, too. But, let's go ahead and bring that picture back up again. You know, we anticipated this in the Discord and everything. We called this. Did exactly what we wanted it to do, right? Simple. So sometimes the best thing is sometimes your analysis is right, but the price action doesn't let you get in, which is tough. Peace out, MM. Thanks for showing up, though, bro. Always good to have you. Yeah, so I don't know, boys, because, like, so gold now is moving up into this daily resistance that we have here on the left-hand side. So I have to see. Wait, we just had 18 viewers? Sheesh. I mean, it told me we have 15. That's beautiful, though. You proud? Thank you, though. Alright, so we're at this daily resistance here now for gold. Let's see what happens here. Let's see how price reacts to this. Let's see if we can like keep driving up to tap that 2000 level, or if we start to reject. We'll have to see like where this 4-hour will close as well, because in my opinion, if we can close above here, there's a slight chance that we might see like 2003, 2004. Right, because you have this 4-hour resistance here, and then you have clean traffic right here. You can see moving up to this area right here. And then on the daily time frame, wait, where the oh, I'm way back in, like, oops, went a little too far. Crazy though. Anyone seeing this? Imagine if we were apes, bro. Already close above. Everyone hit buy. Everyone hit buy. What if we said that? What's GJ looking like? GJ is chalked. Let's see if Nasdaq's starting to move up yet. Ooh, so it looked like we did pull back to make a nice bottom wick on the previous 1-hour candle. 4-hour candle is also looking to close bullish. So let's see if Nasdaq pumps for the day, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I think we're gonna see a nice, beautiful move back up here on Nasdaq. Back up to the 1400 area for about 1500 points or 150 points or 1500 pips. Crazy. I need a screenshot of this real quick though. Put in the Discord. Let's see if gold just keeps chugging away, bro. It does not look like it wants to stop. What's this 1 minute look like? Sheesh. Psycho move, bro. Psycho move, bro. We are $2 away from gold hitting 2,000. $2 or 20 pips. Let's see if it'll do it. GJ is so ugly, bro. Oh, we rejected that 4-hour support or resistance. Or at least it pulled back off of it. I don't know if we rejected it just yet. But, see what happens here. Alright, well this 15 minutes gonna close here. I mean, there's still nothing we can do. I don't even want to look at GJ. This shit is chalked. But I think GJ we might see something like this today on the daily candle. Unless this next 4 hour just becomes an absolute monster and flies up through here. Alright, let's see what gold's doing though. It's 30 minutes pulling all the way back after making this huge wick. 15-minute candle. Pulling back very violently, right? This thing probably wants a bottom wick, that's why. Ooh, we didn't even make one, bro. I think it still wants to, though. What's CJ looking like? Yo, I gotta thank Mr. Grimm for telling me put on that copyright, no copyright sounds, bro. This shit be hitting. I don't even know this one. Visible. Look at this 5-minute candle, bro. Shee, pulling the fuck back. Yeah, I think gold might make its bottom wick here. On this 30-minute, let's see. 5-minute looking like it's ready to drive down. Yep, there she goes. Make that bottom wick. Hope we will get sales to 1988. Well, if that happens, they're yours, homie, not mine. I ain't taking no sales on gold. $19.88. So like back down to here, you think? I think there's a chance that we might pull back. I don't know about to there, but I mean, you can expect this 1 hour or this 4 hour candle to maybe make a bottom wick. We'll see though. Like, I mean, if it closes above here though, right? This is what I would want to see. Just like a small bottom wick. If we close above here, tap back into here, and then start to drive up and fill this wick. But I don't know. It's such a hard. Hey, let's look and see. Right. So now that 30-minute has a bottom wick. I do think though you might get a chance to do something like that if you really, really, really wanted to take sells. I don't know. I don't like how this 4 hour is gonna close with all these lower time frame candles, because it's like, unless like within this next 4 hour we come and close back above 1998, right? And like you see this next 4 hour go up and fill this thing's wick. We'll have to see. But if this thing like flips and comes bearish or closes below, then I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna take any trades today. I don't like how any of this is looking. Let's see, we got like 5 more minutes left. See if this 4 hour closes, and then we'll decide. But I ain't gonna lie. One hour is looking no bueno though. You got the GJ buys 1.5 hours prior to the New York Open. Yeah. I saw your GJ chart, I think. Oh yeah, you got it right at the reversal. Where was it at? Let me look at it real quick. I want to see what that looked like on my I mean, yeah, it looked good though. Lower time frame looked good. People asking about like the volume and that today, but I mean, like, it's just like, look at the movements price is making. I mean, this one 5-minute candle on GJ was 10 pips alone. Got out right at the reversal though. Nice. That's beautiful though. Here, I'll show it to the stream. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's see. This 4 hour still has a chance to flip and close bearish as well. Got 2 minutes left. Look at the 1 minute, bro. It looks like it's about to take a damn nosedive. Press the like button or Will Smith will come at ya. Current M30 is a straight rejection. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I mean, it depends where we close. Because, like, technically this is lower time frame. This 4 hour, but I think if we can close above 1993, then I think we still may move up for the day. But we'll have to wait and see, though. I was gonna ask everyone to hit the like button when we had how many people in here. See, I think if you wanted to buy gold, if we close above here, wait for the 15-minute to maybe make a nice bullish support. And then, like, you could anticipate, like, if this 30-minute closes bullish for the next one, to print bullish as well. I'm gonna go take a piss real quick though, and then I'll be right back, and then we'll see what everything looks like, right? So I'm gonna just keep this 4 hour up. If we close above here, still an opportunity for some buys today, but they might be like Wickfield plays, so it might be a little riskier, but we'll see. Alright, I'm back. How are we looking? Ooh, so we got a nice closure above. Thanks for transparency. What did I do? What did I do? So we did close above. We'll see though. GJ also closed bullish on this 4 hour, so like, I mean, we'll see what happens. Thanks for transparency. What? I was going to the bathroom. Let's see how the Nasdaq closed on a 4 hour too. Alright, so yet again, I still think the Nasdaq's ready to juice. Like, if you remember what I was saying yesterday or earlier, right? Like, you see this monthly candle. The last monthly candle was bullish. We haven't broken the low. We haven't broken the high either. So this could end up being the bottom wick to move up, because like you can see right here, this is obviously a price, what do you want to call it, key level, price sensitivity area, where if this thing decides to tap into here and then start to drive up and flip, I mean, this weekly candle opened up, drove down, made a bottom wick. I mean, there's a chance that we might flip and start to drive back up. I will say that we should definitely see 1,400 a day though on NASDAQ, or 14,000. It does look like gold is starting to move up here though. We're back at this previous 4-hour resistance though. Or no, this is the daily resistance here. Right here, right? So I don't know. We'll have to see. I think tomorrow will be a way better day, especially if we can come and close above. Let me just delete this shit, right? So like if you're just simply looking at this resistance right here, if this daily candle can close above this right here, tomorrow will make for a beautiful day. Look at the fucking clean traffic. Excuse my language, bro. I mean, especially after 2004, bro. Clean traffic moving back up, bro. At least towards, I'll say, 2017. From 2004 to 2017, right? Look how beautiful that lines up here, right? A 30-minute looks good, and then back up towards 2036 is the, where the hell did it go? I believe the daily resistance, or no, what the hell did I mark up that for? 2036. I mean, it looks good though. Whatever I did to mark it up. See all these wicks and shit that hit here. 1 hour. 15-minute. Bro, what made me draw that in earlier though? I can't remember. Oh, I think it was the monthly. No, never mind. I'm tripping. I can't remember. I ain't gonna lie. Oh no, 2036. Yeah, okay, it's this weekly resistance up here. I mean, let's see though. Where's 15-minute looking like? Oops. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. I don't know, boys. If we start breaking back below into this range, though, I think that might be it for me today. What to see, though? Like, I really don't like how everything's looking as it is right now. I really wish that price would have made bottom wicks here and here where we wanted to buy at. But, you know. Things happen, bro. Things happen, bro. Is it bottom wick on the NAS? I would be careful. I mean, like, my opinion, wait for 930 for NAS, right? Wait for that NYSE volume to hit, because it's probably gonna make a huge ass wick. It's gonna make a bigger wick here on the 4-hour. It might pull back towards like 13.814 here. Right. I mean, unless this 30-minute closes above here, I mean, there is a chance that it just like pulls back real quick. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I will say though, like if gold does start breaking back below here, I don't know if we're gonna keep moving up for today so far just yet. We'll see though. We'll see though. Big pullbacks though. This damn 15-minute candle be fighting, bro. Looks like she wants to go up, but it won't let her. How long did it take you to become profitable, my friend? So the thing is about that question, I'll tell you, but that if I answer your question, it's not gonna help you. So like, stop thinking about asking for like basing your success around other people's, right? Because you might work harder than me, and it might take you less time than me, right? You know, you might be. You've been trading for 1 year now, getting better and better, but finding consistency is tough. Yeah, but so I've been trading since, or how long I've been profitable. So like consistently profitable and like, you know, super confident and everything to where the point like where, you know, I'm comfortable streaming and everything while I do all this. I would say since October last year or like September. I say like somewhere between like August, September, October. I had like really good months and I really noticed like a big difference in my trading. I was more like, cause like before that, like yeah, I would have like, cause this is the way it was working, right? So you gotta think of it like this. Over the course of a whole month before that, like yeah, I was having profitable months, but like not like consistently profitable like every week. Sometimes I still have like a bad overall week, but like usually though, um I don't know. I haven't had a losing week yet this year. But you've been trading for 1 year now. Finding consistency is tough. Stick to one strategy, bro. If you think, like, if you jump around, stick to a strategy. What are some other things I tell people? You gotta tell yourself. You gotta tell yourself that you are a profitable trader before you actually become one, right? You gotta have that in your head. Because once you instill that confidence in yourself, then you stop guessing if what you're doing is right on the chart, because you either know what you're doing or you have no idea. Well, I just want to turn down a little bit, bro. This song will be blowing my ears in. Yeah, totally. Thanks, man. No problem, bro. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer your questions. But, you know, everyone's different. Everyone has a different background. Everyone else has been through different things in their life that changes the way that they respond to like risk, and especially like putting money on the line. So for example, someone that might not have had a lot of money growing up has no. Ooh, look at that shit, bro. It just melted. But like say like someone has struggled with money growing up. They might have a little bit of trouble, like, you know, like trading at first because you know they don't like losing money or like that you know like that kind of stuff, or versus someone who I don't know might have more money, you know what I mean? But like also like things you've been through in your life too might translate into like the charts. Great opportunities here. His entire thought process showing up. Yo, I appreciate that, homie. Appreciate that, Albert. But yeah, um, I don't know. The biggest thing for me was showing up every single day, no matter what, to the charts, right? And then, I'll say like eventually getting to a point. So like obviously, if you don't know, like I learned from Raja. There was a point where I was like, okay, like you know, I understand the technicals and everything. You know, I could give you fucking textbook definition of what a Fibonacci is. I can give you textbook definition of support, resistance, everything. And then it's different like once you come to the chart though, right? But so like there was a point where basically like almost all of last year I saw, you know, I went off on my own. I stopped looking at what people were doing and shit on Instagram. You know, deleted my Instagram. Stopped looking at other people, what they were doing. Stopped worrying about others. Focus on myself. And then, you know, you kind of like talk to yourself. You kind of learn yourself. Like, okay, what happens if I take a trade here? Um, Let me read some of this real quick. You got a small funding account, 10K. Dropping my risk from 1% to 0.5% has been a game changer. Yeah, exactly. So, like, I think 0.5% risk on a funding account is, like, honestly perfect. That's probably, like, right where you would want to be at. Funny you mentioned the belief thing. Routinely tell yourself I am a profitable trader. Yeah. Seriously, though. Because, like, if you don't, then it's like, what are you waiting for? Eventually, like, you think, like, something's just randomly going to fucking click. And like people always say all the time, like, oh, wait, just wait till it clicks, wait till it clicks. I don't know. I think like when people say like when something clicks, I think it's when you realize whenever like, oh shit, I actually do know what I'm doing. But like you already knew beforehand, but you just didn't realize it. You know what I mean? I always ignore people talking about psychology in regards to trading, but no. Yeah, psychology is huge. Anyone can trade, it's just controlling the emotions. True, true, true. Some people just lose their camps. Some people are just delusional, can't accept the fact that their job isn't that bad. Fuck social media. True, bro. Would you trade this M30 fake out if it closes bearish? I think you could maybe trade it if it closes back below here because then we might pull back further, right? Yeah, but Albert, bro, 100 fucking percent, bro. Because like even when I was learning to trade and shit, bro, it's like you go to your job. What do people do? They sit there and they bitch about this, that, blah blah blah, and then people like are like, oh well, you know what? If this person only does this much work and I'm doing this much work and I'm getting paid the same amount, then like, oh, this is bullshit. This isn't fair. You know what? Fuck whoever this is that ain't doing shit, right? Because you just gotta boss up, bro. You gotta take it, beat a better worker, beat a better person. It'll translate into other shit you do. You know what I mean? And people notice that shit too. Like, you just gotta do the things you hate like you love it, bro. Seriously. And eventually, it's like you don't even hate it anymore. Big ups to Albert, though. Big ups. Big ups. Look at this 1 hour. It's about to break this low here. Discipline. True. Luckily, I work for my parents. Meaning you work 24/7. Luckily, you work. Wait, I already read that. Trying to flip 1K account because 9 to 5's for losers. Yeah, I mean, I don't really see anything wrong with like trying to do like a 1K account flip. It's like no different. Well, like this is a thing though. Like thinking you're gonna get rich off of it or like gonna flip it like crazy because as fast as it'll come, bro, as fast as that fucking money will go. And that goes with no matter how much money you have or no matter what the hell it is. Do I only trade gold and GJ? So gold is my main pair. GJ, I do trade not as much as gold. I lose more on GJ. Even when I take the same sort of setups I see on gold. And then I also watch the NASDAQ. I also watch US30 because like a lot of people love that shit. I mean, I might trade like NASDAQ like maybe once a week or like once every 2 weeks. And I haven't traded US30 just because I think the NASDAQ price action is way cleaner, right? So like look at the 1 hour on NAS. And then look at the 1 hour on US30. It looks like chalk. So did you start getting into trading because of Raja? No. So actually, let me find it in my DMs somewhere. So like I've always like kind of been focused on the markets and like trading and all that kind of shit like ever since I was younger, but like I never knew where to start. So let me find this message that I have with. So I found someone when I like just graduated high school and everything, before I was even 18 years old. I can't find it, bro. Yeah, right here. So I'll show you my DMs. I don't have anything. But I'm 17 years old. No one knows anything about trading or stocks. Do you have any advice? And then this guy goes, yeah, if you really want to learn stocks, how to trade, take my mentorship class. You can start getting the knowledge you need to become a master trader. I said, where can I find this at? And then 2 days later, he goes, I'll send you the link. Never sent me the link. So, what did I do? I fucking got off my ass and I fucking went and I started to figure shit out on my own. And the first person I found at the time was Daniel Savage, bro. So yeah, I bought his course and everything. And then eventually, you know, I was still in the learning stages and everything. But I didn't end up liking it. Can you sell gold at 1992.04? I mean, if this 30-minute closes below here, then I mean maybe. Because like there's a chance we might drop down, break previous 1 hour lows, and then we have clean traffic back down to here, right? So you could, but I mean I'm not going to. Fact, Savage is fire. Yeah, I mean I think he's a good trader. I know he gets a lot of hate and everything, but I mean you know, he does his own thing. But trading the Fibonacci and shit, bro, never worked for me because it's all subjective. Like you could have a Fibonacci fucking like here. Technically, like you could say, oh, this hit golden zone, blah blah blah. But then it's like all subjective because then it's like, well, like what if this was the fib on the 4 hour actually, or some shit like that. We never got the pullback, or I don't know. So, and then eventually I found. Oh no. So then after that, I tried trading or learning how to trade fucking smart money, and then I think I tried trading that for like probably like I don't know a couple months, and then like it was the same thing, so subjective, based on like what time, like whatever time frame and shit you're looking at, and it was like really complicated, bro. And then I came across Raja. And bro, that's where I've been ever since. You know, I got my damn magic keys. You think gold will fall bearish to 1987.99? Could, it could. 1987.99. I think we might pull back and retest this. There's a chance. You got to be careful, because if it comes down and breaks this 4-hour low, then we might move back down towards even further. You bought Nick Sean's course. That sounds really familiar, bro. Isn't he the bald dude? Oh yeah. But I will say, I'm thankful that, you know, I didn't fall for none of that IML bullshit or none of that. I did get into a IML Zoom recruitment one time and fucking literally walked across the camera ass naked, bro. Hopefully, in case I ever blow up, no one finds that shit. Because, I mean, I highly doubt anyone was like recording that shit or anything. I mean, you couldn't see nothing but my bare ass cheeks, but it was so funny, bro. But it was so, like, I was sitting there and then they were like, we kept asking them questions and shit like, yo, so when the fuck do I learn how to trade? When do I learn how to trade? They're like, it'll come, it'll come. I'm like, bro, I was like, y'all aren't teaching me nothing. And then they started getting angry, and people were in the Zoom call were like, yo, can you please shut the fuck up? We're trying to learn. I'm like, learn fucking what? What are you? He's sitting there teaching you about how he's gonna sign you up. You learning how to sign the fuck up? I don't know. Knowledge. Yeah. I actually might have the video, cause I actually did record it when I did it, but that shit was a long time ago, bro. I have some breakdown videos and shit. Garage vibes of like GJ and that when I was. When I, like, still newer. Do you use fundamentals trade? Yes, I will. Okay, so like this is the thing. I use fundamentals to give me my bias and like help me analyze the market, right? So, in my opinion, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like fundamentals kind of set me apart from some people because, say like breaking news and that shit comes out, boom, I'm instantly gonna know what the market is gonna do to react to that shit. But I mean, we've been calling gold 2000 since I don't know, January, which was like back when we were here in like the 1800s. Because of the anticipation of the war. I actually did catch these buys here on gold too, moving up for like, I think it was like 300 pips. I ended up closing that shit out at. But what else? Like I was breaking down last week to everyone why GJ has been going parabolic and moving up so much. Like so like if you look at the JXY, which is so like you have the DXY, which is the US dollar index chart, you have the BXY, which is the British pound index chart, and then you have the JXY, which is Japanese yen. And the reason why I only really look at these three is because, well, I trade GJ, gold, and those are my main pairs, and those three all fall underneath there. So if we look at it, the BXY, you can see that we are in a downtrend. You know, if you look at the monthly, it'll paint the best picture for everything. And obviously, the pound has been pretty bearish because of inflation, right? It's losing value, and we've been moving down on the pound. So the pound has been weak. But if you look at the Japanese yen index, it's been absolutely fucking shit in the bed, right? And the reason for this is because if you look at Japan's economy, a lot of, and if not almost all of their economic activity has to do with trade and like transporting stuff like out of the country, like by like ship and all that kind of stuff. And so whenever the oil prices are going sky high through the roof, right? It costs, the energy costs are substantial, right, for Japan. And so their economy is taking a huge hit right now. And because of that, you are seeing GJ fly up. So the more you know. That's why we've been seeing such a bullish Japanese or GJ. Because even though the pound is weak, the yen is way weaker. That should be shit in the bed, bro. We'll have to see though. Like as far as everything else keeps moving. I mean, for now, all we know is everything we trade is bullish. Damn, awesome info. Thank you. I used to give like full fundamental breakdowns in the Discord. But no one seemed to really care too much, right? You're gonna put those X3 XYs on your chart? Yeah, I think they're so like I don't actually look at this and be like, okay, DXY is going up right now. Gold should be moving down, because if you understand why is gold moving up at the same time the U.S. dollar is, well, you have to understand that the U.S. dollar is the world's reserve currency, and at the same time that they're hiking rates, that would be a bullish factor for the U.S. dollar. So this is down here when they first announced they were doing a rate hike back in June of last year, that they were looking to do one. So ever since then, market moves by speculation. We've been moving bullish here on the US dollar. And since it's the world's reserve currency and all of the world trade happens in US dollar as of right now, like whenever they're exchanging like money or like trading like goods, not like the chart trading, like trading goods from country to country or whatever, it's all done through the US dollar. You don't hear like, oh, we bought umpteen whatever amount barrels of oil in Chinese yuan. It's all done always through the US dollar, right? So whenever we have like war and that kind of stuff, like talks about that, they're gonna move their money into like the world reserve currency. And the Japanese yen is also a safe haven because they keep negative interest rates. But obviously, because of the oil being a problem, the Japanese yen is currently... Look at this. It doesn't have any previous data back here. So who knows where this is going to. Oh, probably back to zero. Dude, I seen someone's Bitcoin analysis. Let me show you it, bro. This shit was so funny, bro. I believe it was like... Capital Hungry posted it, but it was some dude's Bitcoin analysis. It was like, it's doing the rainbow pattern, bro. It goes up and then back down. It's like, what? It goes back to fucking zero? Oh, shit. Alright, it's 9:30 a.m. Let's see what everything is looking like, bro. So, gold did close below on this 30-minute. I think we might keep moving down, but I'm not looking to take any sells or anything, right? So I think that might just be it for me today, boys. GJ also very choppy. Does look like we're starting to maybe move up here though. I don't know. This 30-minute opened up 2 minutes ago. No bottom wick. Driving up, right? Like this shit's just so fucking ugly. Nasdaq also fucking flying like we called it, bro. And US 30. Alright, bro. You just got an alert on NAS 100 possible break and retest trade on a 1 hour. I think Nasdaq we're gonna keep moving up, bro. Oh, where is the Nasdaq? Do you took a sell on gold? No. The last time I'm gonna say it, I'm not looking to sell gold. It might keep moving down, but I'm not gonna counter trend trade, bro. If you're that antsy to throw money at something, go to the casino, bro. You sound like you're getting some FOMO, homie. You're missing that. You're trying to catch a move. Sometimes it's not gonna play out. But since this isn't doing anything what I want it to do, you know, that's gonna be it for me today, boys. Tough. The two trades that we were looking to take was this support being printed here, and then obviously this candle made no bottom wick, so we couldn't execute. Then this candle opened up and immediately drove up with no bottom wick, right? So we didn't get a chance of that either. No trades today, respect. I mean, yeah. I mean, I don't like to lose, so it's like I'm not gonna sit here and you know, I like to plan my trades out and then take them whenever they occur, if they occur. Do you take impulse moves? I mean, probably like, you mean like if it just starts driving up and breaking out of a resistance or something? No, I used to. But then one of the things that I've been focusing on is like losing less, right? So like if I could just, like, I know how to take the winning trades, but how can I see the losing trades before they happen, if that makes sense? That's like what one of the things I've been focusing on this year. Hit your SL with spread on the last M15 high. Now it's dropping hell. Yeah, that's why the counter trend trades are tough, bro. Alright, boys. But that's enough for me today. I mean, if you can maybe see a gold creative support somewhere down around here, then maybe there's a chance that we might move up. But this shit is gonna look real ugly now that this 1 hour is dropping down here. It's gonna probably want to print bearish somewhere down within here, right? And then you might need a new 1 hour candle creative support to move back up. So like this shit could take all day. Don't be a slave to the charts. Let the charts show you what you want to see, right? Took gold running more than 12 pips. Beautiful. Alright, so at least you got your goddamn gold cells, bro. I'm happy for you. You wanted them so bad. You're patient. You got them. And now you're eating. I'm going to drop some clapping emojis in here for you. Well done. Alright. This is the last time I want to say it, though. I'm going to head out. Thanks for everyone who showed up today. Hopefully everyone in here learned something today. And we're going to be back tomorrow as always. And hopefully tomorrow we get a beautiful setup that has a bottom wick, right? Because this is atrocious. Watching this thing go, like, I don't know what, fucking 70, 80 pips and we couldn't get any of it. I mean, it is what it is, you know. But I'm out of here, boys. I'm going to let the music run for a little bit so that it'll save the whole stream up. And then we'll be back tomorrow. So I hope everyone has a nice, beautiful rest of their day. Hopefully everyone here learned something today. And I'm ouchie.
That the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And to quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always ain't on the man. Facts, bro. Facts, lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. Yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.